Whakaalo whatu mā kau. Last night in Lamai, we're here with Niue Language in a restaurant. Famous common guy over there. And bank pharmacy. Jackson, do you want to show your haircut?
Pretty cool. Like it?
Yep.
Jackson got his haircut from Thai. Jackson, show us your Z. Turn around. Other side. Yeah. Yeah, Jackson's granddad paid for that.
Oh, no.
So now we're just checking out the menu of this restaurant. They bring you the ice.
Mom, can you put a water?
No, you have to eat because you're going to be hungry.
I already ate. Yeah, look at them.
Just ordering our food. Yeah. Whakaalo whatu mā kau. Manako a Jackson, whia lahi a Jackson ke mohe si umai a mua ki I loto motoka e granddad ha Jackson ke mohe a Jackson. Lole lahi loa e aho si lole a Jackson. Se ei loa au me ki au ke kai awhi e mongo nei. Ko au nofu I motoka ke leweki a Jackson. Hopo wasi a Jackson ke nofo ia, mo ia. So I'm just sitting in the car now because Jackson got very tired after a long day. So we're in the car while the food is over there. So yeah, Jackson got a haircut. It was 200 baht, which is about 10 bucks New Zealand. Good haircut, Thai style. I still think Jordan's haircut was number one for Jackson in New Zealand, and Dal Aho. That's how you pronounce it. Dal Aho. The haircutting business in GI, run by a Niue guy, Jordan Langituku. Yeah, so we're just waiting for the food. Unfortunately, not sure if I'll be able to get some pics. I think you saw on the menu that a lot of the food was about 80 baht, which is about $4 for a meal. $4 for a meal, which isn't too bad. So yeah, this is our last night. Tomorrow morning, o haki a motoli wakalele ki Bangkok, nofo taha e pō, si liwatu a motoli ki Australia, si o motoli ki New Zealand. So yeah, so tomorrow we fly to Bangkok, 7 in the morning, stay one night, then we fly back to Melbourne, and then we fly to Auckland. So hopefully everything goes well. Alright, whakaolahi, rock empowerment, mo li matakavi for your comments. Appreciate the comments, keep commenting, it's good for the algorithm. Okay, mutulukia. Whakaalo whatu mā kau, ko au I kosa mu I whale wakalele, tali o mautolu ki Bangkok. Yeah, we're just waiting at the Koh Samui airport. There's a spot here. Free food. A lot of coconut biscuits, but inu e vai. E pungi nei e whiloto ke kai e tau biscuit. Yeah, okay, we'll see you in Bangkok. Kia monuina. Free. So the cup. Free and a free coffee. Whakalofa tu mākou. Hokotei ki Bangkok. We are here for one night. Just arrived. Yay! Okay. Bangkok, the golden foyer. Whakalofa tu mākou. We're just in a market in Bangkok now, buying some donuts, unfortunately. Looking for some mango sticky rice. Eat some Thai. Everyone's just setting up. Oh. Man, 3 donuts, 15 baht. Oh. So yep. Here, we'll take this big toy section. Okay, let's walk down there. Eh? Let's go down there. I think it's just all food around here. But we're looking for some toys. Looking for some toys. Whakalofa tu mākou. We're back at the market and it's crazy busy. Lawe lawe, longa tō tangata. Yeah, hey loa ke wangahau tai. Lale o ke wangahau tai kai Amy Taki. Si longa tō tangata. Kumi e tau mena ke whakatau ke uta ki New Zealand. Si, yeah. Vela la, manongi. Yeah. Whai tangata tu e tau mena ke pā e ngutu. Longa tō tangata tu e mena ke pā e ngutu. This is Ari, whai kupu. We were just strolling around. But yeah, just thought it's different now. Okay, we'll fill over here.
To the park. I'm going to.
Whakalofa tu mākou. Flight delayed by an hour and 40 minutes.
That's my hand.
Right. Thanks, Melbourne. Thank you, Qantas. Awesome.
Hello, this is my hands. Look, I got 2 hands. I mean.
Whakalofa tu mākou. Hokoteo o Mautolu I New Zealand ne awhi. Just in time. Ki tau se 1 year unveiling for my uncle Kapisi. Passed away last year, this time. 1 year. Back in the ghetto. Oh, it's not a ghetto now if you look around. Longa tau whale whao. Back in GI. Te whare piringa. The place of wanting? Oh, I'm not sure. Yeah, whiwhia o Mautolu. Mitaki e aho. Mitaki e la. Yeah. Sure enough. Hau tuai. Ko hau tuai. Tau mga whao hako. E kisia kamata hafa taha. O hola whiha mongo nei. O hola ua. Oh! What's up peeps, back in NZ. Back for the unveiling for my uncle, passed away in 1 year ago. Yeah, it's meant to start at 1:30, it's 2 o'clock now. My parents were the first ones. and then us and Steph's just arrived. So, yep, nothing's changed much. Island time. We're in GI. I was saying we're back in the hood, but if you look around, man, so many new houses. So many new houses on Fenchurch, famous liquor store on the street. But now this looks like suburbia. But yeah, we're back to BNZ. It's good to be back. The weather, look, you can see it's sunny, but I'm wearing a jumper and it feels normal. I'm not sweating. Feel like New Zealand summer, eh? It's the best. We have the best because you can wear clothes and not sweat too much. But yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for commenting. Lee Matakavi, shout out to you. And who else comments? Introduce DJ Asta. Cookie Steven, shout out to Papa Moa, Mr. Cookie Steven. Alright, catch up. Whai kupu.
Whakalawhalahi atu ki am tōru kua kisikisi mai ke he ki whanganai ha Sione. Kua whakarataha e tau whanau a Kapisi, hana mahutanga, mo e tau kapsinga, kua whakarataha mai ki whakamana tua e hana aho ne uki o ia. Whakalawhalahi osi. Lahi atu ki am tōru osi kua kisikisi mai. Ai whai kupulahi, ngā tunga ni whamahani ki tau whanau ni, we lafu mutanga, tau lafu, we tau grandchildren a Kapisi, nunga I tēne ko whai pui whanu, arakisia I hana tawhiwhini ko sifa, ka ko moitūra nei, kua whakapoto e ke mahanai, whakatokotakai tau rau, mi tau nofoa, Moe leo tōtari ka rotoro ka hoku mai au si ai whakariri whanga ka hoku me rotoro kai mena mai mena kai nawa KFC tara noa mai ato oto e ta kaina ni mai amato whakawerohi kua kisi mai wai kupu e mga whakamui aia koena ia
Whakaoi. Ekas.
Hey, Bula. We're just here at the unveiling for Kapisi. The whole family is here, so it's gonna. We're still waiting for people to come in, so looking forward to meeting other people and also having a few. Naka.
1 year ago, bless the parents and bless the children, as well as the friends who are with us here in this lovely house. 1 year ago, bless the parents and bless the children, as well as the friends who are with us here in this lovely house.
Agora andarei uma.
Curry? Yeah.
Olha. Some more. Oh. Look at a snapper.
Oh, it's a salmon.
Oh, it's a salmon. Look like a snapper. Yeah. Fresh dinner. We're opening it up. Oh, coconut bread. Oh. Mamoy chicken. Mamoy chicken. Oh. Classic. Oh. This is the best part of the day, the unveiling of the food. Oh,
this is broccoli.
Oh, broccoli. Broccoli, anti-carcinogenic, prevents cancer. So it's good for you. Oh, is this? Oh, my favorite. Ribs.
chicken.
Sorry, paper towel.
Cowboy chicken here.
Cowboy chicken.
Cowboy chicken all the way from Niue.
Cowboy chicken, masolo.
Curry.
Oh, what's under here? Oh, you're gonna save some?
Oh, because there's already 3 big curries already in there.
Except for the after party. And then, pancakes. Damn. It's like Christmas. Jackson's favorite. How's it? Must free trays of curries. I saw. Was that you guys?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Enjoy.
Damn.
Curry and taro.
Anything planned for Niue Language Week?
Yeah, we've got a few things planned. I have to talk to you about what we are going to do in Tamaki.
I'm busy on Wednesday.
So what about Tuesday morning?
Tuesday morning, yeah. When the kids off to school, I can come.
Okay, so we might have I'll talk to you about going down to Tamaki Regeneration.
Oh, yeah.
And maybe we can just go through the Onga dance with them.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Just as a thank you for their funding for our group.
Yeah, Tuesday morning.
But
Yeah.
yeah, heaps of plans, and we'll invite anyone from top of our group to if they want to come and share what they've learned, so it'll be good.
Sweet.
But yeah, but today it was nice to hear those guys, but they forgot the Onga dance, so the shooter. No.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, very good.
Sweet.
Language group there.
Oh, now we're open now. What's this? This looks like mamui, waka, niue talo, masolo, chicken curry. That's the famous country. Oh, otta. Yeah. Yeah.
Kalau belahnya kentor sih kue, kalau belahnya lunch apa? Kue dah jauh. Kalau orang lain sama je, kue muai mana pada hal ni minta kengak. Kue kue muai tu mana netoi, kue muai lain kengak. Hai tu tak hai lah si, kau kau pergi ada tu ni ada. Mungkin ni pahita pun hal ni weh kia.
Kau.
They for 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Went very fast.
Language week out ni. Bonoi na ya hai bang hau niwe. Whakawelahi. O sia ma John.
Pagawai.
Kanong nga tumaw e mami ha.
Pastor Cristo buat kau bayar right. The same minta kita melalui dan give it to him right to post the whole thing for us, right? Ayah, minta kita
menaosi ayah.
Lata maya nei ke lata moe tu anga he tau he mole atu he hamo tu tu tai Kapisi tungia tau e hana hingoa ko iki nei ko ki ke tau whanau ni tupu mai e pulotu mai loto matara ke no nofo a loa me kau whanataha moe whia whanau.
Alright, we finished.
Light.
Taha tue tau. Just doing some photos. Maybe we're about to leave. Good to be back and in Z.
No, Martin.
Okay. I'm going to say this in English because my Niue is not there yet. But for boy, the family in the whole can celebrate 1 year of our dad. Home how ne ai to ha langi home to gay. And a very good turnout for today. Very good turnout. Yeah, that's it.
Fakoi. See you guys. Whakatū lewa e tau anga whakamotu ma e tau atu hou. Yep, got that right. Happy Niue Language Week.
right. Whakalawhalahi atu ke matulu he pongi ko e kamataanga nei he whaitapu mga hau niue. Whakatūlewa e mga hau niue mai tau anga whakamotu mai tau atu hau. Sustain Niue language and culture for future generations. How are we going to sustain? Whakatūlewa whewhe e mga hau niue for our future generations. Koe mena ni ko mitaki ke mga hau tu mau he tō loto kaina. Mga hau tu mau ke he mga hau niue ke tō loto kaina. Ine po, whakawhiawhia ai e kamataanga he mga hau niue ke he Whale Pasifika he University of Auckland. Pungpungi nei, koe liu mai o e mo John he o mo ke o hui, ke whawhau e sino ke malolo. Haia, pihia e pungpungi, se koe liu mai e mo nei ke fua e kai pungpungi ke lata mo e aho sāpati nei. Haia, mo rina e whahitapu whakatūlewa e mga hau niue, mo e tau anga whakamotu mai tau atu hau. Haia.
Whakaoi. Yeah, it's the Niue Language Week this week. Tomorrow or Tuesday, I'm gonna go and explain some stuff to the Tamaki Regeneration Group, GI group, just about what we did for our Niue Language classes with my sister Miss. And then on Wednesday, we have speech competitions. I Rowendale or Whavona? Whavona, where the bilingual unit is. So that's what I got to do with my Nuffle group. And then a few other things coming up, but that's it for now. Today I'm just with my mum, Te Aonga Wangahau Niue, mo Lakahui, and Inusi. Yeah, Mitaki e la. Yeah, the All Blacks in Ireland are playing. Osi e Lakahui, si, what happened? What happened when we got back?
Ke Inusi.
Yeah.
Haia.
Whakaoi. Yeah, so when we got back, we heard some swearing and shouting and stomping. We thought there was a fight going on. As we just thought, oh bloody hell, fighting. But as we got closer, they were chee, yeah. I think the All Blacks just scored. But yeah, funny. I think it's 3-13. But yeah, okay. I bet we'll see. We'll keep you updated on what's happening around Auckland. Whakaalawhatu mākou. Got the Niue boys here. Just want to say something for Niue Language Week.
Hello. Whakalawhatu. Katoa he ngā haku. We're just on our way to church. Happy Niue Language Week. And go the All Blacks.
Choo!
Whakalawhalahi atu ke matolosi, ko lia me he ngā haku. We're just getting ready to go to church now. And happy Niue Language Week to all of you guys. And go to All Blacks.
Whakaoi.